Hey guys, Jules Kain here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over the classic, The Blood Will Never Lose Its Power by Andrae Crouch. This song was recorded in the key of A flat. This is a classic and a must-learn for gospel musicians. So, let's start off with the intro. I'm going to play. So, we're going to start off in this F7 to this G diminished to this A diminished to a nice B flat minor 7, A flat over C, B flat over D flat. Now, you can play a D half diminish, or you can just do a D flat 9 to an E flat 7 to an A flat. And that's a little ending motion. It's like playing an E flat chord over A flat to a D flat chord over A flat to A flat. Okay, then start with a nice 2-5-1, 2 B flat minor 7, 5 E flat 7 to A flat. Then he's playing the blood that Jesus shed for me. Way back on Calvary, the blood that gives me strength from day to day, it will never lose its power. Okay, so the chords are A flat. We're going to drop down to a G7. Jesus. Back to A flat. Shed. B flat minor 7. And I like to go to this B diminished 7. For me. To an A flat over C. Now, on the original recording, you hear Andrae play this lick here. To a C7. And you're going to play way back, D half diminished, E diminished, on Cal. So F minor 7. Now you can go to this B flat 9, very nice turnaround here for E flat minor 7 to A flat 9. Now the blood, B flat, that gives me strength, D diminish 7, from day, A flat over E flat, to a C diminished over F sharp, today. I like to emphasize this note here on the D flat on this F7 sharp 5. It's the sharp 5 note. And then go to a F7 flat 9 or just an F7, whatever your preference. Then we walk up. It G diminished, A diminished, like the intro. B flat minor 7. Never lose its power. Okay, then B flat 9. It reaches to the highest mountain. Okay, the chords are B flat, E flat, and it flows. E flat, D flat over F, E flat over G, to A flat. And I like to play this A flat, B flat minor to A flat. Valley. Now, we're going to go to an F minor 7, drop down a half step, E minor 7 to E flat minor 7 to A flat 9. Now the blood, gone through this, D flat to D diminished 7th to A flat over E flat. Now, properly played, it's that C diminished over F sharp. You can also play just an F sharp, or let's see here, an F sharp 7 to F7 flat 9, and then it will never lose its power. Okay, let's play from start to finish. That Jesus shed for me, way back on Calvary, the blood that gives me strength from day to day. It will never lose its power. Reaches to the highest mountain, and it flows to the lowest valley, the blood that gives me strength from day to day. It will never lose. And then you can do a turnaround. It will never lose. So you go to this D half diminished to the F7, G diminished, and then we can end the song. Never. Its power. Alright, and that was The Blood Will Never Lose Its Power by Andrae Crouch. Hey, thank you guys so much. Please like and subscribe, and if there's a tutorial that you would like for me to upload, please send in a donation. The links are in my bio and the video description, and I will make sure I will upload that for you and the world to see. Alright, thanks again so much, and I'll be back with some more.